Mr. Homeschool.
Hi, Mr. Homeschool here. So today's lesson is going to be backyard chickens. So come on down and check out my chickens. All right, so I'll get into a country accent. Here is my backyard chickens. This entire thing is the chicken pen that has chicken wire to protect from other animals getting in and for them getting out. There's a layer of hardware cloth that's extra protective, especially on the bottom. It goes into the ground a little bit. And that right there is the chicken coop. That's where they actually, go to bed, and that's where they lay eggs. Let's see. Excuse me. I got some. Hey, please. They like to perch on things, so I got a pallet from work. I got some wood stuff to perch on. I have a feeder where I put chicken feed in, but I also have a little thing. I don't know if you can see it from there, but there's a little bucket for all the kitchen scraps from our leftovers. So food, a water for them to drink water. Water's good for you. And then this is the coop where they have the eggs in the back. Hopefully I'll check in a second. I have bedding in there to make it nice and smell good and it's comfortable for them. Like bedding, if you might have hamsters or guinea pigs, anything like that at home, it's the same kind of bedding. It's that shredded wood. And then here, all over here, like kind of like a farm, you would see straw on the floor, which is good for traction and keep the smell better. Yep. So what you're hearing obviously is a rooster. Only roosters crow like that, male chickens. The rest of these guys, or girls I mean, are hens, which are female chickens who lay eggs. You don't need a rooster to have eggs in your backyard chickens. But you'll need a rooster if you plan on having chicks. So I'm gonna check the back. So the back of the coop, there are little boxes called nesting boxes where the chickens will go and rest and lay their eggs. So if we're lucky, there'll be some eggs right now. So I'm gonna go check it out right here. Excuse me. Yes. I got some eggs. Thank you. So right here, I can't keep turning into a southerner. I got 4 eggs. I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Thank you. So chickens make great pets because they're fun, and they provide food for your family. So it's very nice. My wife likes to make, obviously scrambled eggs, eggs in a basket, or quiche. Whatever your family likes to make for eggs or with eggs. So, hope you enjoyed the tour of my chickens, and I'll see you again soon.